ujia aria makoragwo rungu rwa iburi ria kanjo ya makanitha NCCK kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni mareganite na aruna ao amwe aria marahe etikia ao mwerekera wa mwena uria mekunyita mbaru wa kiuteti.
Ahunjia aria mathiete magatake sides acio ti itu na nitoe gwana gutire kwaga andu ta acio megukienda ni undu ni makigurwo na makithiria mbia no aria turi nao haha na aria angi mari ku makanitha-ini maitu ni tukuga ati tutikwenda mundu agie na msimamo wa gutuikania ni oya candidate umwe no iga niwe wagirire tondu andu aitu othe kanitha-ini ni matukanite kuri andu mekiama giki na angi akiama giki na ni undu woguo to be fair ni kwira andu mathie mundu athure freely mundu uria ekwenda
marenda etikia kuheo mweke wao wa gugethurira mutongoria uria o mekwiyendera hatari guthingiririo.
Tuwe tutiagirirwo kuga no tuguthura undu uria twagirirwo kwira andu aitu ni ati tuhunjie thayo na twirire andu mathure kuringana na uigiririku
hari mehariria ma ithurano kuringana na commission ya ithurano IBC. Ahunjia aya makiuga ni iromboyanetie na kuhota gucokia ciuria iria kanjo ino yoritie na kurutira wira mathenya maria anyiti itemi githurano-ini giki makoretwo makimurika
kewega maundu mau ni mathondeke tondu kuringana na Chebukati arakiuga riu registers ciothe ni mathondekete na makakiuga maritwa maria meho ni mandu aria makiri muoyo tutigukienda ningi mundu wagikuire na akiakirwe thiini wa register na ngaki hope na niguo turetikia IBC has done nekite uria kwagirire.
Akiri uguo ahunjia kanjo-ini ino makiuga kura cia mawoni iria ikoretwo ikirekererio ni irekirirwo nganja kumana na aria maracitafania. Kanitha kiuga ndere na murugamo o wothe uciegie makiendekithia a Kenya gukeyumiria na namba nene githurano-ini kinene niguo kwamurania aria marahitahitanira utongoria.
Policy muno stige kurumirirwo muno tweterere ithurano ciikwo tondu opinion imwe ni cirahenia andu ni undu wa propaganda na ateti aria makigurite opinion polls icio riu tutiraigua ta kuri na opinion polls cia muno. Opinion poll iria ama ni iria gakorwo ikuo mweri 9 mweri wa 8
handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.
Itamine ria kwarahura miturire andu aria mari na mawathe mwena wa irathiro ria bururi thirikari kuhitukira kigina kia aria mari na mawathe ni heanite uteithio wa besha cia kumahotithia kuruta mawira matiganite indo-ini cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 14 na iheanitwo kuri aikari a kaunti ya Embu na ni hamwe na sharahani cia gutuma nguo indo na mashini cia urimi na miako o ndomwe na cia uturi wa mithemba itiganite.
Ni gikeno kuri andu aria mari na mawathe kaunti-ini ya Embu thutha wa thirikari nene kumarumbuia na indo na macini cia mawira matiganite kurutia indo cia saruni na ugemu sarahani hurubaro na macini ingi cia urimi miako uturi wa mbao gucinirira hamwe na ingi ni iria andu aya magunikite nacio ikirigirirwo kumahotithia kwiyandika mawira na kana kwarahura biashara ciao.
Hizi vifaa tunapeana leo ni vifaa ambavyo vitasaidia wananchi kuweza kujiendelesha kimaisha.
That way unaweza kuemploy somebody, that way you can also feed your family, that way unaweza kuinua maisha yako. Kwa hivyo yetu ni kusema make use of that seed also on your part and make sure that you become productive.
Oho thirikari ni rutite kigina gia ciringi 300,000 gia kumahotithia kuhura njeki biashara ciao kuona aingi ao makoretwo magithinika ni wagi wa ngombo.
Pesa hizi leo tunapeana kwa institution zitasaidia wananchi ambao wanaishi na ulemavu kwa kuweza kupata taaluma, kuweza kupata masomo, kuweza kupata ile tunaita usaidizi ya kujiendeleza kimaisha.
Joan Murugi uria ni umwe wa aria magunikite na uteithio uyu ni agathiriirie thirikari na kuga aingi aria mari na mawathe mari na ugi na umenyo wa maundu matiganite indi makaga wa kumanyita guoko.
Siku ya leo imekuwa ni siku ya furaha sana, sababu nimeweza kusaidiwa na toolkit itakayo niwezesha to be dependent.
Tunashukuru sana kwa misaada ambayo tumepata. Kama mimi personally nimekuwa nimesaidiwa wakati wa COVID-22 2020 renovation ya my unit, alafu last year pia nilipata msaada mwingine.
Muingi ni uritio uyukia aria mari na mawathe na waciari aria mari na ciana iri na mawathe makorio mateanirie mutugo wa kumahingira kuona kumahitha ni kumaraihiriria na moguni na motungata maria thirikari na anyiti itemi angi iri na mokuri ciana ici.
Na hiyo sio sawa. Tukiona jambo kama hilo, tupeleke ripoti kwa naibu wa chifu, tupeleke ripoti kwa chifu ili tuweze kuona njia gani wale watoto ama wale wanaweza kusaidiwa.
Tondo tanie maima mange anthithire muthenya umuthi kwangi ku regret na ndangiona angikorwa ni a more burden to her.
Kuringana na notari wa 2019 andu milioni 2.2 nio mari na mawathe bururi-ini na itanya ria thirikari ni kuhotithia aria mari na umenyo na uhoti wa kuruta wira kwirugamia miturire-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.
Maafitha a uthuthuria ni mambiriirie gwika uthuthuria wa uhaguku wa ugitiri mwena wa Burut County ya Naikuru thutha wa miri ya andu angi eri kuonekana itetwo umwe ugitigana na ugi na kilomita 2. Miri yo ni ya mundurume umwe na muiritu na kuringana na ikari a mwena ucio Godfrey Bet wa ukuru wa miaka 48 arakorirwo atetwo mukira-ini wa barabara itura-ini ria Barut ari na nguraro njoru ngingo o hamwe na maitho-ini. Kilomita 2 kuma hau mwiri wa muiritu utari uratamburikana uroneka uri na nguraro na uri mutinie mutwe. Agikira uhoro uyu mukode kamanda wa borithi kaunti ya Naikuru Peter Mwanzo augite thuthuria baraginyo no wambiriirie niguo gutaukwo kihumo kia ngero ici guku aikari makihoya ugitiri ugacirithio gutanagia na ciiko ingi makiria.
We have commenced our investigations and through our informers on the ground, we are following some very credible leads, and we are able to soon have the DCIO here and have the OCPD. And these guys, I must assure you that we're working around the clock to make sure that Nakuru remains safe. We're never going to wait until when things happen. That's when we react. No, we're going to prevent before. Crime management is about prevention, control, and also reaction.
Senator Johnson Sakaja na uri urahuranira giturwo kio governor county ya Nairobi ni arite ojoria tene akagacithia murutire wa wira agigathurwo githurano-ini giukite. Sakaja augite ni akahuthia mitaratara ya uheani wa marwa ma kuhura biashara muno kuri aria makoragwo na makiria ma biashara imwe.
Tutakuwa na milioni 50. Mnasikia? Hiyo milioni 50 ni ya kusaidia vijana wetu na kina mama to set up their own businesses based on the skills that they have. Don't you want such a fund in Nairobi? I'm sure you want that. So and that is why you need to choose good leaders. So Ongera, I'm very proud of the initiative. I'm told there's a 19-year-old working here. Huyo msichana ambaye amejitokeza at 19 kuhustle na kusakanya na kutafuta. That is a true representation of what Nairobi is.
What I'd like to assure you is that we, in the government that we are going to form, led by Governor Sakaja, are going to support bringing in of additional finances, additional capital, and you should feel protected. You should feel encouraged that your efforts and your energies and your work will not be interfered with.
Atongoria a ikundi itiganite cia arimi a kahua kaunti-ini ya Bungoma nimamukirite mathomo ma mwanya megie uria urimi wa kahua ugigacirithio kaunti-ini iyo. Mucemani-ini uyu atongoria aya nimetikanirie bata wa guthomithia andu ethi uguni uria mangiona urimi-ini wa kahua thutha wa aingi ao kurikia marendia migunda iria mangirima.
We are having this meeting to discuss matters coughing.
Na riu tukiuma mwena ucio turore ciegie mathako ni ati timu ya Manchester United nirabirie mehariria mabitika cia ligi ya EPL na guoko kwa urio thutha wa kuhota timu ya Liverpool na bao 4 gwa kibugu gucani-ini ya kiurata ira irathakirwo hwae mucii-ini wa Bangkok kuria Thailand.
Little chip. The Bayer has cleared it and driven in by Jadon Sancho, who scores the opening goal for Manchester. Little chip. The Bayer has cleared it and driven in by Jadon Sancho, who scores the opening goal for Manchester United. Somehow Nat Phillips on the floor got it away. Fred tries an audacious chip and makes it 2. Martial with the first touch, and Martial driving through, he's through and goal, and he finishes well, and it's 3-0 to Manchester United. And a chance for Ahmed Diallo. Pelistri makes it 4. To move the young Uruguayan started himself.
United defended in a man-marking system, especially in midfield. We lost the ball to the wrong moment, gave the balls away, and they finished the situations off. That's what was the obvious stuff. That we have to improve was clear. Even if we would have won 4-0, we have to improve. So it's just the start of the pre-season, and now we carry on.
Well, Reece Williams maybe.
Na mwerekeri wakwa Kevin Kamau arajira hau niho turatirihira mutabaruko witu wa miaraho ya umuthi mutabaruko ngene wona cihanda thaa imwe o gwata mathaa 3 gukwendithiriria muthenya mwega aria meguthukumo-ini murori magukumia njitagwo Ken wa Kuraya.